this just happened. So basically all the animals are on the road at night.
Elephants, tigers.
So we came here to the Voyagers Lodge to get more apple fritters before we leave, and they were sold out. So we had some fries and fish.
And now we're gonna spend the night so we can grab those apple fritters in the morning because they're amazing.
Yeah, so we're sleeping here. Can you see the van? Right there.
Try number 2.
Apple fritters.
We need those apple fritters now.
So we actually slept here. You can see the van in the back. And then this is the beach parking area, and it doesn't say no overnight parking. And no one said anything. So if you're in the area and the fritters are sold out and you have to wait for them, just sleep here. What do you have there?
The world famous fritters. Look at this.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, they don't look
They're
as good
humongous.
as they are.
Our driver's waiting.
This is also known as diabetes in a box.
Hey driver. And
Worth the wait. Oh yeah.
this is just like a half of one. They're humongous. Yay! In my bag!
What is the second throw of the day?
Third throw.
Third throw of the day. Oh damn, we got a smallmouth bass. It's a bite size, but it's 1-0 Laura. If she's not gonna drop it in the water now.
No. Okay. So we're a week in our vacation. And finally, we caught some fish.
Fishes.
Fishes.
We caught 4. 3? 4. We caught 4 fishes.
Yay!
This is 1.
I wish. No, we have 4 tiny fishes in here that we're gonna make. We cleaned them and we're gonna make dinner or probably lunch tomorrow. Are we too lazy to cook today?
Probably lunch tomorrow.
Yeah, we have a bunch of fritters left.
Fritters.
But yay! Finally!
Yeah, man.
Off-grid living. We won't be hungry anymore.
Not so sustainable.
So we were driving towards Sudbury and our windows were too dirty, and Gasper tried to clean them and he made it worse. So now he has to clean them from the outside. What you doing?
Filling up gas because I was too lazy to go yesterday. So now we're empty and what, 5 minutes to the nearest gas station. I'm not sure if we would make it or not. Better safe than sorry.
Hi, so we are in Sudbury again. Yesterday we drove here. It took us about like 2.5, 3 hours. And you saw our window wipers went to shit, so we went to Walmart and got some new ones and have to install them today, hopefully, so we don't drive at night again. So we're on our way to Muskoka, and we have to find a spot on the way where we can empty our gray water tank so I can do the dishes. Like, this is disgusting. But this is too full to do the dishes, so I want to empty it first and then finish this up. Guess where? What's up? And we have a friend with us today. Hila. So where we're at?
St. Mary's Golf Course. No, MUSKOKA Highlands something.
So we're at MUSKOKA Highlands, and this is one of the courses that allow dogs to play golf with you.
Golf life, dog.
Life of a golf dog. Sleeping on the greens. Oh yes. So we're done golfing, and for the first time ever, I won. Yay!
There is no proof.
There is proof. See? This is me. This is Casper. Haha. So we drove about 3 to 3 hours yesterday, and we came to some wilderness, I don't know. So we had to pay, it's $7.50 per day per person, but we came here last night around 11 p.m. so no one was here. We paid and then slept over here. It doesn't say no overnight parking, so yay, it's just us. So we have the whole park for ourselves. We're gonna go hiking now, and we brought some fishing equipment just in case. Okay, always check if it's locked before you leave. Tip number 1. So it's called Luther Marsh Management Area. So it was a very short walk, probably about half an hour. We got eaten by black flies, and we decided to go back and leave because it just wasn't okay. Poor doggy. Okay, so now we're off towards St. Mary's. Okay, 2 hours later, we are now in St. Mary's. So this is one of our favorite spots. Tennis. Okay, we're done tennis, and then there's this quarry here, so we're gonna do some fishing. Yay, it's a fish.
Humongous fishes.
لا. Nej, ribba, vidare. So many fishes. Okay, so fishing sucked big time. There were so many fishes, but they basically ignored us. I put a worm on top of her and she didn't care. So we decided to go to our favorite restaurant instead. Yes, it is sushi. So we're now at laundromat, and this is it. This is the end of our vacation.
We are officially back to normal days.
Yeah, living in the city, working.
Yeah, it kind of sucks, but that's okay.
But still living in the van. So thank you so much for watching.
After the vacation, what?
Yeah, it's not a vacation van. It's full-time van. Okay, so stay tuned for something exciting happening. Bye.
See ya.